back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use hot rollers. So I'm super excited to show you my tutorial and how I usually do it. I use the Remington hot rollers and I've had them for years. I literally can't even count how many years I've had them for. So they're really good, durable, they do a great job, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, first things first, you'll want to plug in your hot rollers and get them all heated up. Before you start, you'll want to have clean hair, and then I always use a heat protectant. So this is the one that I use. It's Kenra hot spray, and it's just a thermal protection spray. So I'll put that on when my hair is wet, dry my hair, and then pretty much ready to go with the hot rollers. So while the hot rollers are heating up, I'll just brush through my hair. And then I'm going to section it off because I love to start with the bottom layer and I always work my way up. So I'll usually take the section right above my ears and then just clip the rest of my hair away. Okay, it's time to start rolling my hair. So I'll take the medium-sized hot roller, and it is really hot, so you have to be careful. I take this front section and I like to start rolling it under. So I'll roll it all the way up and then secure it at the top. And we'll just keep doing that on the whole bottom layer. Okay, so the bottom layer is all curled under. And then I'll start working on the next layer, which is kind of like the middle layer. And then finally we'll do the top. I'm just gonna let all of that hair down and then section off my crown. So that will be the final step. But we're just gonna clip that all up for now. We can do this a lot of different ways. You can start to curl this away from your face, but I personally like to continue curling it under. So that's what I'm gonna do. I just think it makes the curls look more full and just kind of the style that I'm going for. So we're just gonna keep curling them under. And I am continuing to use this medium size. That's the size that works the best on my hair. I think the smaller ones make tighter curls, and it's not exactly what I'm going for today. So I have fully curled the bottom layer of my hair and I'm waiting for that to cool. You want it to feel completely cool before you let them down. So as you can see, I ran out of my favorite medium size on the hot rollers. So now these are just like that small size that I don't necessarily want to use. So I have to wait, let these cool, then take them down from the bottom layer, put them back on here to get hot, and then we'll do the top layer together. So you kind of have to just work with what you have. I do wish that I had a little bit more of that medium size, but we'll make it work. So now I'm going to start curling the top layer. And this is where I'm going to start to kind of curl some outwards. I'm going to start curling my bangs just to get them out of my face. And then I'm just going to clip that. Next, I'm going to take this front little piece and curl it kind of like outwards to the side. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, now I have like all these little pieces here on the top, and I'm just gonna curl these under again. Okay, now we're just gonna wait again for these to cool off and then we'll take them out. Okay, so it's time to take them out. I always get worried taking out the bang part. This is like the big reveal. Sometimes it just does not turn out, but okay, now that they're all out, I'm gonna take my Unite Boosta finishing spray and just kind of hairspray the whole thing. And then I will kind of brush through the front and like fix the front pieces because they're just not really giving. So this is what it looks like directly after taking out all of the hot rollers. So it's a little crazy, but I like to set it with all of the hairspray and then I'll kind of run my fingers through. Okay, so this is my go-to tutorial. I hope you guys loved it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll be doing a lot more of my beauty tutorials on here, like long form. And yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.